Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, and if you haven't figured it out yet, I'm the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. Today's video is my spin on the Keto Mojito. Basically, it's just a regular mojito with some sugar-free simple syrup and a little twist at the end, so stay tuned to see what that is. So let's go ahead and get started. In our tin, start with a handful of mint leaves, 5 to 7, depending on how minty you like it. So we're gonna drop, I got 7. I like my mojitos a little minty, so I have 7 mint leaves in there. Next, we're gonna go with our simple syrup. We're gonna use ½ ounce of simple syrup, and this is a xylitol simple syrup. So this will have 0 carbs in my simple syrup. And next, we're gonna muddle the mint. Now, when you're muddling herbs, mint, sage, basil, anything like that, you don't wanna overdo it. If you crush it too much, you're gonna break open up the stems, and that'll start releasing chlorophyll, and then your cocktail's gonna be bitter. So just a nice, gentle muddle. That should be good. Ah, nice, nice. And next, we're gonna add some lime juice. We're gonna go with 3/4 ounce of lime juice. Now, this particular recipe is a spin on the one I found at liquor.com. So some of them will say use sugar instead of a simple syrup. This one used a simple syrup, so I kind of went with this one. So far we have no carbs in that lime juice because it's concentrated. Then we have the simple syrup using xylitol, no carbs in that. Mint, no carbs in that. Next, our rum. And we're gonna be adding 2 ounces of a white rum. I'm using Black Pearl by 7-3 Distilling in New Orleans. So I'm gonna go 2 ounces of my Black Pearl rum, or your preference of white rum. I try to stick with some Louisiana distillers whenever I can. And next we're gonna add some ice. We'll put that together, give that a good shake. So next we're gonna strain this into another glass with some fresh ice. So we'll strain that into our glass. Now, usually in a mojito, you'll top with club soda. Not today. White Claw lime. So we're gonna go ahead and top that off with some White Claw lime. Give that a little mix. And we're gonna garnish that with a lime wedge and a mint sprig. And same thing like we started before, give it a little clap, wake up that mint so you get nice minty fragrance as you're drinking. And there you have the Low Carb Cocktail Guys Keto Mojito. Let's get and try this. Man, tell you one thing, using this instead of a seltzer or a club soda, game changer, game changer. So next time you make a mojito, ditch the club soda, seltzer, or diet soda, whatever you were using before as your carbonation, jump to White Claw lime. All right, guys, y'all have a great day, because after this one and I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 more, I'll be having a great day too. See y'all later.